Hello guys. So I'm here and this is my new video where we will talk about new tools I have got and some spares I have here. You can already see that I am going to fit my car very soon, and the separate DIY video will be very soon about it. Let's start from this guy. This is my second Stahlwille Ratchet 3.8 drive directly from Germany. Here you can see 435 part number Stahlwille, Germany. I have a chance to grab this ratchet for the half of the price from eBay from auction, and this is a very good deal. Especially I was sure about it when I got this ratchet, and my expectation is the same as for the first one I have already showed you in my previous videos. This is pure engineering German tool which is premium quality, and this is premium tool solution for everyone who wants good quality ratchet. Here you can see how it sounds, and listen. To it. The ratchet is not fine tooth ratchet. It has only 30 tools, but very smooth mechanism inside ratchet. It is factory oiled, and the styling of it is very good, simply the best one I have here in my garage. Very good tool as always, great quality and great fitment in your hand and feeling. It is a very good tool once again. Let's move on, guys, and here it is, the tool which I was going to buy about 1 year, during 1 year, and finally had the chance to grab it. This is Hazet 1976 one, made in Germany, flexible magnet pickup tool. The story is the same here. This is the handle. Here you can see how it fits in my hand, and the fitment is superb. The new one is sold about 45 euros from Germany, and I had the chance to buy it for the 25 euros with free shipping, and with no doubt I grab it, and today when I receive it I can say that it is worth of every euro it costs, guys. Super tool. Here you can see how it flex. It is very good tool when you're working under the hood in your car to pick up some tools, or to bolt on some fasteners which are not easy to access. A very heavy duty tool, and also very well made. What can you expect from the premium German tool maker Hazet? Here you can see I flexed it and how it looks. Now I will do a little test about this tool and show you the picking strength of the magnet tip. I don't remember how many kilos it picks. Everyone can check it to the online Hazet catalog. Here is my hammer, which is 1 kilogram, and now let's try to pick it with this tool. Now I am trying to do this job with one hand, and it is not very easy, but for you guys I will try it. Here you can see it picks up 1 kilogram hammer with no problems, and as I remember, maybe I'm not right, it can pick up to 3 kilos, and this is the simply the super specification of this tool. Once again, here you can see how easily it picks the hammer, and if you drop your tool under the hood of your car on engine bay, you will be able to pick it up with this tool. Very good tool. I was using this top tool one in my previous jobs, and it cannot compare with the Hazet. For small works, okay, but not such heavy duty as Hazet one, and I love this Hazet pick tool very much, and recommend to everyone, if you have the chance to grab it or buy it a little bit cheaper than it costs. Highly recommend, go and buy. This will last your lifetime, and this will save you a lot of time. So guys, here you can see new oil for my guy. I am going on my summer vacations very soon, and it is important to know that the car has fresh oil in it, in the engine. Here it is the ARAL Hydronic SAE 5W-40, made in Germany. All the improvements of the Mercedes-Benz and the other stuff is here. Guys, you may ask why I choose this oil. I think that the quality and price, for the quality and price, it is one of the best choice out here in my country, in Georgia. ARAL also is the BP Petroleum part of the British Petroleum, and with no doubt I can say that this is very good quality oil. I picked up 8 liters, so here are two 4 liter canisters in my working table. These are original oils. I bought it from original distributor in my country, in Georgia, and every time in my cars I am using, and I use this oil, and nothing wrong with it. They last me very well, and I recommend this oil for especially M112 and M113 engines. Well, of course, there are more premium oils such as Mobile One or other oils you can pick, but for me this is the right choice in this situation. And last parts, here are the oil filters. I will show now the two options I have for the oil change now. This is the first MANN filter. This is OEM manufacturer for Mercedes. And this is the second one, also MANN, German-made filter. The main difference between these filters are that the first one is made from the regular paper, and it is not for the high pressure engines. Here you can see this is the paper filter, and the second one, which I will now show you, is a more heavy duty filter, and it is suitable for heavy duty situations. it works on more pressure, and that's why I'm going to use this one on my engine against the first one. But guys, I can say that both of them will work on naturally aspirated M113 engines, and nothing will wrong with you if you use this filter or that filter. In this situation, the meaning has that in this situation it is important that both filters must made by the good filter products company, and both of them must be original. So guys, this is the short video about my tools and future plans. Stay tuned, and thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.